What is she playing for, Rich?
Beautiful steam shower. MyBathUSA.com presents the Rainforest 78. This revolutionary shower features a built-in hot tub, TV, hands-free phone, stereo system, and much more.
So here's how you're gonna play. A game called Pushover. The four numbers in the price of the steam shower are hidden in these blocks right here. And you're gonna push these blocks so the four numbers appear in this blue area. Okay? When you see the four numbers in the blue area, stop pushing. Ready, Stephanie? Go ahead. Gonna start out with 7,961. 2,796. 3,279. 5,327. 5,327, she says. Let's find out if she's gonna have to remodel her bathroom when she gets home. She is. Congratulations. Bathroom remodel in her future. Great steam shower, she won. Showcase Showdown coming up next. Don't forget to visit PriceIsRight.com. We'll be back in just 2 shakes. If you